Hi guys, it's Paula and I hope you are doing well. This is going to be the 2-month update for the Panners pan. This is a project pan that celebrates all of the panners we know and love. This project was created by Elizabeth. She is at Cookie Pans over on Instagram. If you're not following her over there, I suggest you do it. She's got some great posts and she's had some amazing panning progress this year. She also creates a ton of fun projects. So if you want to see what they are, you should follow her on Instagram. So we were given the task of picking 10 of our favorite project panners and linking a product to them. A project centered around honoring project panners was too good of a project for me to pass up. I loved the idea so much. Did I need another project on my plate? No, I did not. I did not need another project, but I just loved the concept so much, so I did it. Now, this is a very slow moving project because I am up to here with project pans and I don't have any empties today, but I did decide to set the goal of using all of these products at least once throughout the month and trying to focus in on at least one product for the entire month and zero in on it and use it as much as possible. I don't know if I really met that goal. Call me crazy, but I've also decided to make this a progressive project. So every month, whether I finish a product or meet a goal on a product, I am rolling in a new product to honor a new project panner. That might be crazy, I know, but I figured that would be a fun way to keep this project interesting and to keep it relevant, because otherwise I'm probably just going to be coming on here every month to be like, here's this product for this person. I didn't meet my goal, but I did use it once. Like, I'm just going to become a broken record. So I thought to make it interesting for you guys, the least I could do is add in one new project panner a month. We'll see if I'm kicking myself in 6 months for making this declaration, but we're gonna try it. So let me take it from the top and go over the 10 products I'm currently working on, and then I will show you the new product I'm rolling in and who it's for. The first product is the OG Naked palette from Urban Decay. This was for Amber F. She panned this. Her first Pan That palette was the Naked palette, and she beat it down. She beat it down. She panned the heck out of it. It was an amazing thing to watch. If you haven't seen that series, I highly recommend you check it out because it's very satisfying, and she kind of started this whole project pan thing. I mean, others had done it before, but she really popularized it, and she's the one who brought the project panning community to my attention. So I probably would have never heard about it if it weren't for her. I am saying at this point that I think I want to hit pan on Buck. But really, if I hit pan on any of these, I'm gonna call my goal met and roll this out of the project. Today I have Toasted and Hustle on my eyes. I felt like Toasted wasn't really doing a whole lot, so then I dumped a bunch of a Magnificent Metal from Stila on top. So that's what's giving my eyelid the sparkle, not Toasted. Unfortunately, it didn't look as spectacular as I had hoped it would, but I don't know if I like the Magnificent Metals. It looks fine from here. From where you are and where I am, it looks all right, but if you get any closer, I don't know if it looks good. But I do have Toasted and Hustle on today. And I think I did wear Buck at least once in the past month. At least I hope I did. So this is for Amber F. The next product, of course, is for Cookie Pans. She's Elizabeth. She's the one who created this project, and this is my BFF lip liner pencil from Colourpop. This was in a project we did together called the 2020 Vision Project Pan, and I could not finish it then. So I decided to bring it back in honor of Elizabeth, and I'm wearing it today. I've worn it quite a bit. Not a ton, but I have worn it a few times. The next product is for Jessica Lee. She is an amazing project panner and I love her to death. And for her, I chose this White Ginger and Amber Body Splash. And I do have a new line today. It's just below the line that was there from the starting point, but I have used this enough to make a new line. So you know I had to make a new line. I had to do it. And I have used this a few times. I'm wearing it today. Any progress is good progress when it comes to these body splashes. For Amanda D, I have my Real Cheeky Party palette from Benefit. Same as the Naked palette, I'm just trying to hit pan on one of the powders. I'm not sure which one. I'm guessing Rocketeur, but today I used Dandelion, and I kind of like Dandelion, so I don't know. I've been playing around. I like both these right now. I think both of these are really nice shades as we go into fall and winter. So we'll see how much progress I can make on them. I am still trying to hit pan on a blush and another palette, so that's my main focus. But once I do that, I think my usage of this will go up a bit. Okay, for my good friend Chic Geek, I chose this Colourpop Lip Gloss in the shade Curvy. I don't have any new progress to show you, but I have worn this several times and I've really enjoyed it. It's lovely. It is just a lovely, lovely lip gloss. Sometimes it's a bit more than what I'm looking for. Sometimes I just want a sheer gloss. This is pigmented and it's thick, but when I want pigmented and thick, this is a great lip gloss, and it feels great, it smells great, it's not sticky. I like it a lot. I've used it several times. Okay, for the beautiful Alex, her name is Alejandra Lisette on her YouTube channel. I chose this single from Looksy Beauty in the shade Halo because she is my go-to for anything indie brand. She is like a little indie brand expert, and I always refer to her videos for anything indie. So I chose an indie brand product, which is this shade here called Halo. I'm using it as my inner corner highlight today. It's very pretty. I like it a lot. And then for my friend Mission Minimal, she does not have a YouTube channel. She has an Instagram account, but it is the most inspiring Instagram account ever that I've ever laid eyes on. I highly recommend her account. I chose this MAC single shadow in the shade Quarry because she has said she does not need eyeshadow palettes. She can just buy the singles of what she wants, and it's not uncommon for her to buy a MAC single shadow. She does not exclusively shop MAC. She shops around and she's always looking out for a good deal, but she does buy a lot of MAC singles. And so I chose this in honor of her. And this was the product I wanted to focus in on over the past month, and I don't feel like I did that at all. I got distracted by working on other shadows. I did use this several times, but I don't feel like I focused in on this at all in the past month. I am wearing it today in my crease, but yeah, I feel like I kind of failed that goal, and I think if I would have done that, I would have hit pan. So I'm a little bit disappointed in myself. Hopefully I will be able to zero in on it next month and hit pan on it. We'll see. My next product is in honor of two project panners. One is Rachel Stephanie and the other one is Kyra, who is Journey in Beauty. I love both of their channels. I find them both joys to watch, and they're both very inspiring project panners. And in honor of them, I went with my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. This is probably the product that makes me the happiest out of everything in this project. I am so glad I am working on this palette now, and I'm not using it every day, but when I do use it, I absolutely fall in love with it even more. I keep going back to the same shades over and over, and they're all in this middle row. This middle row is just everything that I need to complete a look and don't have. I think I also used this one in my look in the past month. I was trying to recreate a Raw Beauty Christy look that she did. Her look used all Wet n Wild products, and I didn't have any of those products. So I looked at what I was project panning, and I think I did a pretty good job recreating that look with the items I'm project panning. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that. I might do a video on it. But I used this palette to recreate that look, and as always, once again, I was just so pleasantly surprised by how these eyeshadows performed, how nicely they blended on my eyes. Like right here. That's where it's at for me, right in there. I just love them. And obviously I'm not panning anything like them. If I was panning something like them in another project, I would be more likely to go to those products, but because I don't have anything like that I'm currently project panning, I can go to this palette and pull those colors, and it's perfect. This next product is in honor of two YouTubers once again. One of them is Jaclyn Claire and the other one is Rebecca Morgan. I like both of them very much. I kind of feel like the three of us could all be best friends. I could be fooling myself, but I really like the vibe that both of them give off on their channels. I've said this before, but Rebecca Morgan is one of those YouTubers that when she posts a video, I am there. I am so there for her videos. I am so excited when I see her videos pop up in my feed. I love her. And I feel very similarly about Jaclyn. I just think she gives off the best vibes on her channel, and I like her so much. Even with all the adversity she's had this year, I still find her so pleasing to watch and just so nice and pleasant. So in honor of them, I chose this Maybelline color tattoo because when I think of them and their project panning styles, they're definitely two people that are project panning their non-cruelty free items so that what's left in their makeup collection is all cruelty free. So I figured I would do the same thing, and I chose this Maybelline color tattoo in the shade Fool's Gold. I've worn this a couple times in the past month. I think when I first bought this, I was a little bit disappointed in this product. I was expecting it to kind of be a one and done product, like swipe it over your eyes and you'll have this gorgeous opaque metallic green look. The way I'm finding I prefer this product is as a base. So I swipe it on and I kind of blend it out and then I put something on top of it and then I'm happy with it. But when I try to use it as a standalone eyeshadow, it doesn't really do much. It doesn't have as much impact as I would like it to be, as I would like it to have. So yes, an eye base, yes. All by itself, no. The last product that I've been working on is this eyeliner in honor of Looksy. Looksy is a project panner that does amazing, colorful, inspiring eye looks. And so I wanted to choose a very bold shade. This is Electric Blue. There's a swatch of it. It's so Looksy. It is so Looksy, and I like it very much. And she definitely inspires me to be more colorful and more bold than I normally am, and I appreciate that. Okay, those are all the products. I did manage to use all of them at least once in the past month, which is my goal. I really need to buckle down on that single shadow of Max Corey for Mission Minimal and hopefully hit pan and roll that out next month. But in the meantime, I have decided to roll in a new product for a new project panner regardless. This is crazy. I don't think it's a good idea that I'm doing this, but I cannot help myself. So the new product that I'm rolling in is this nail polish from Julie G. This is Julie G's textured nail color in the shade Sugar Plum Fairy. This just looks like fall and winter in a bottle to me. I mean, this is just such a great nail polish for this time of year. And I'm a big fan of like, wear whatever color you want, whenever you want. There's no rules, but oh my gosh, I just look at this polish and I think this is the color I want to have on my nails every day. And I'm getting really close to rolling my Kale polish out of my Project 10 uses. So I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for panning a nail polish. And the person this is in honor of is Mariella. Her name is Makeup by Mariella. Of course, I will have her channel and Instagram account linked down below, along with everybody else that I've talked about in this video. She's a very good project panner. She's a very good person. She's a very nice, kind person. All of these people that I'm talking about not only are good project panners, but they have really good hearts. And that's important to me. I know it's important to a lot of you too, but you want to support people that are supportive. And Mariella is a supportive person. She's kind of like a mother figure and she's just so sweet. And I just think she's the best, but she also always has a killer manicure. And there's so many products I could pick from Mariella, but I decided to honor her killer manicure with a nail polish because her nails are always on point. And I have to say that she does post a monthly makeup basket. And half the reason why I enjoy watching those videos is to see what her manicure looks like because it is always awesome. So this nail polish is in honor of Mariella. That's it for this update, you guys. Tell me what you guys think about me turning this into a progressive style project. I know Becky Loves Kanga has done progressive style projects before where she just keeps adding in products regardless of whether she meets her goals or not. I don't know of too many other people that have done that, and oh boy, I could be overdoing it a bit, but I'm still excited and I'm looking forward to it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. That is it for this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. That would be wonderful. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.